Ndị Igbo, ndewonu, ụmụ Biafra, daalụnụ. O nwere ozi dị mkpa m chọrọ ime ka unu mara, maka na nna m sịrị m na ọnwụ na-egbu nwa nkịta anaghị ekwu ya ka ọnụ isisi nsị. Dịka m si na-ahụta ihe na-aga okpuru na nzuzo na agbata ndị Igbo na-achị ala Igbo na ndị Nigeria, ọkaiwu na ọkaikpe, ka ha nwee ike tọrọ Maazị Simon Ekpa. Ọ dị m ka asị m kwuo masị na Nigeria agatụbeghị agha mbụ. For those who are not hearing Igbo, who are listening to me, I'm not insulting you. I greet you wherever you are. Good evening and good night and good morning. Depends on your time zone. I want to inform you this moment that Nigeria have never gone for war before. Nigeria have never fought a war before. And because they have not seen war before, they have not fought war before, then it is intoxicating them as somebody who is drunk, filled with alcohol. So they want to test the war by Tinubu hand. But I'm telling you that no place will be spared in Nigeria. For your information, let this video go viral. Nigerian military terrorists and Tinubu and their cabinet and their senators, I want to remind them that Israelite government have given Simon Ekpa certificate of Biafra recognition. Don't forget this, because I know that 1,000 militaries from Israel will finish in Nigeria. Just 1,000 militaries. Don't be deceived. Many people are interested in this matter of Biafra declaration and restoration. If Nigerian or Nigerians or Nigerian military terrorists said that they are interested for war and they want to fight war, they should understand that they are going to fight Israel and they are going to fight Finland. They are going to fight Sweden. They are going to fight Russia. They are going to fight United Nations. They are going to fight United States. All right? They are going to fight Canada and etc. So, if they are planning to touch Simon Ekpa, they should as well plan to end Nigeria. Nigeria will become a history. Nigeria will be like Sodom and Gomorrah. Nobody will remember anything about Nigeria, and nobody will know the place called Nigeria anymore. I'm giving you this message because that thing that have been intoxicating them, you see them in Biafra land in the forest, you see them on the road with illegal checkpoint, illegal block road, illegal roadblock. You understand? So, it's still pushing them because they have not tested the war before. Buhari will just warm his mouth and said they suffered for 30 months. And he cannot allow the suffering they suffer for 30 months to be in vain. 30 months you and the who suffered because international community joined Nigeria to kill Biafrans. That is what you suffered for 30 months. Join me. Let me show you how to fight a war and how war look like. Liberia war. How many years? 7 years. 7 months. 7 weeks. 2 hours. I was there. I fought the war to the end. United Peacekeeping Operation. I was there. Just because of my time, I cannot continue. Talk of Russia. Talk of India. Are you getting what I'm saying? So, don't use war to threaten me personally or to threaten Biafrans anymore. We will not condone it because we have gone for the war. Colombia war, how many years now? 50-something years now. I will tell you that I was in Colombia war. They're still fighting it till today. Over 50 years. Colombia war. So what did you do 30 months? You gather the whole world against one language, against Igbo language. And you are happy that you have gone for war. You have fought war. Look at a Boy Scout like you. Let me inform you people that this moment is not the time to gather terrorist countries against Igbo language. If you said Musa the CDS, because it is you that it is pushing, you refuse to go and fight terrorists in the north. You hanky-panky terrorists. You keep terrorists. You cover terrorists. Even Northerners are shouting it now that Nigerian militaries cover terrorists in the north. So it's only Biafra land which you will not see a single terrorist. It's where you feel like you can come and do whatever you like. I'm telling you that your plans have failed. And you and your government are failures. As I'm talking with you, we are ready to protect Biafra land and to protect the Biafrans, because for long now, Nigeria government have been killing Biafrans by the hand of Buhari and Tinubu. And now we said it must stop. And we must stop it. Biafra have gone their way. Biafra is not a part of Nigeria. So anything wearing military uniform or police uniform from Nigeria entering Biafra land is illegal. You are trespassing. And therefore, you have to face the wrath of the law of Biafra government in exile, because you should understand that as the Biafra government is existing in exile, that is how Biafra government is also existing at home in Biafra land. So don't think you can come into Biafra land to demonstrate your animalistic attitude and get away with it. The whole world knows that I'm saying the truth. So, I leave you here.